Welcome to our hotel guide of the WB Hotel, located at Yas Island in Abu Dhabi. Right at the front, you'll spot the iconic couch from Friends. You'll also see the Batmobile and a set of luggage cases inspired by famous Warner Brothers characters, a fun nod to the studio's history. As you step into the lobby, it's clear that a lot of thought has gone into the design. The Warner Brothers emblem is featured on the carpet and on the glass doors, while the classic Looney Tunes circles are decorating the ceiling. And if you have a quick peek behind the check-in desk, you'll see a massive screen full of Warner Brothers characters, adding to the immersive feel of the entire lobby. I will say though that one of my favourite details is the Warner Brothers logo that's located in the centre of the lobby, which is made out of artist tools, so like typewriters, pencils, paintbrushes. It's a real creative touch. The lobby was one of the central places for the meet and greets at the hotel. We were lucky enough to meet Robin, Daffy Duck, Tom and Jerry and Bugs Bunny during our stay. The lobby also houses the craft services, which is the hotel's coffee shop, the prop shop, which is a Warner Brothers merchandise store, and the Directors Club, which is one of the hotel's main dining options. We'll talk a little bit more about that later on in the video. When you check in, you'll be given a QR code which will give you access to the key information from the hotel. This includes stuff like the timings for the character meet and greets, the theme park opening hours, the Yas Express bus schedule, the spa details, and so much more. Another cool little feature they've got is this piano. But the good thing is you can actually pick a song for it to play. And a staircase that was full of Warner Brothers memorabilia from various films. Each hotel floor has a specific theme, and we were on the Superman themed floor, but the art on the walls did include references to the wide range of Warner Brothers films and shows, not just specifically to Superman. So now I'm going to hand over to Ange to give you a quick tour of the double artist room that we stayed in that was Great Gatsby themed.
Straight away on the right hand side is the bathroom with the studio vibes mirror, sink, bath and shower, and a toilet hidden behind the door. Behind you is a cupboard of some sort. We've not had a look inside, no idea what's in there. Okay, we've got lots of hanging space. Slippers, not branded though. A robe, also not branded. Some drawers. Safe ironing board and iron. Now we've got a drinks area with a couple of glasses, some complimentary bottles of water and a coffee machine. A fridge, which is really cool. I'm loving the retro fridge here. And then coming into the main area, we've got a cool telly, desk area, table, 2 double beds. Is bed comfy? Let's do a bounce check, Ollie, find out if it's comfy. Bounce check. Oh, that looks like a springy, comfy bed. Aircon controls, awesome looking phone. And that's pretty much it in this room. We've got a Great Gatsby room, so we've got some Great Gatsby artwork. And then we haven't really got a view as such. We got a pool view room. So we're definitely going to be heading down there later because that looks like a really cool pool.
There's a little play area that I'm guessing that's where the kids club is. Kids club is down there.
Oh yeah, that's the kids club.
So next up is the dining options, and the WB Hotel has several different options for you to choose from. So first of all, you have Sidekicks, which is located on level 1. It's a fun, family-friendly restaurant which is open for breakfast, lunch and dinner.
One of the cool things about here is they have this like balcony at the side, so you can get breakfast inside, which is where we had dinner last night. We asked this morning if we had to sit out here and enjoy the view. We're going in there in about 20 minutes. So for breakfast you have a cereal stand with all the side bits, low fat and full fat milk here. And you've got like little muffins here at the side, pre-packed, so you can take them with you into the park. They've also got gluten-free cereal at the top there too. Yeah, we've got chocolate madeleines, red velvet muffins, chocolate Danish dip sprinkled croissants. We've got donuts, pancakes, little Bugs Bunny pancakes up here as well, like they did downstairs, and a massive station for your toppings. Moving on, you've got your fruits. There's tons of fruits to choose from. We've also got whole fruits again if you've got to take some with you on the way. So bananas, apples, pears, oranges. And then you've got Arabic selection, so like falafel. I've never seen them before. Idly. You've got loads of breads, Arabic breads to choose from. Then you've got eggs Benedict. It's just shakshuka egg there as well. That shakshuka is delicious as well. Loads more toppings to choose from, loads of garnishes. There's porridge, baked beans, steamed veg, chicken sausage, you've got veg noodles up there, you've got mushrooms and hash browns, turkey bacon, you've got scrambled egg, and then boiled eggs. And then there's an omelette station there at the end that you can choose from. Then in the centre you've got all your cheeses, some date and nut bars there, some honey, and they do have honeycomb as well, which looks really good. And you've got some meats, some salmon. On this side is all your pastries, absolutely tons of stuff there. And then you've got, again, your toast and your breads. And it looks like that's like your kind of jam, so you just push that down to be able to get what you want. It's pretty cool, so you don't have the individual wrapped ones. Your normal tea and coffee here. You've got smoothies, so today's berry and ginger smoothie, a strawberry, papaya, cherry and banana smoothie. And then the last station you've got here is just kind of like hummus and salad and carrots and stuff. And then your juices, which today is still water, watermelon and fresh orange.
The Warner Brothers characters like Bugs Bunny and Daffy Duck often stop by and make it a fun place for families. Sidekicks also has theme nights like Italian, barbecue and Asian, and the night that we ate there it was Arabian themed.
So we've got some bread rolls, creme caramels. They look good, chocolate creme caramel. We've got like its own ice cream making station with trimmings. And you've got your salad station, some cheeses. We've got chicken shawarma wraps here, and falafel wraps. You've got lentil soup, corn and pea rice, grilled chicken breast and mushroom sauce, beef steak and peppercorn sauce, and shepherd's pie, pasta pink sauce, and in the middle you've got your fruits, you've got tea and coffee there, popcorn too. We've also got a big baklava station at the side here. There's tons of choice. Some cakes. And the kids station has a chocolate fountain for desserts. They've got chicken nuggets, wedges, burgers, mac and cheese, roasted pumpkin. So they do charge for drinks here, but they do have water, pineapple juice, and salad. I guess some salad. So if you are wanting to get a drink and not have to pay for it, then there's also some other options as well as the Arabic tea, Arabic coffee, and coffee and tea here too.
If you're interested in the opening hours, breakfast is available from 7 AM to 11 AM, lunch is from 12 PM till 3 PM, dinner is from 6:30 until 10:30. So up next is the Directors Club, and this is the hotel's signature restaurant. In the evening, this restaurant is more fine dining, so we didn't actually eat here, but if you wanted to have a quick look at the menus, it was more like steak, cocktails, that type of stuff. And if you want to check out the menu, I'll leave a QR code here for you. We did, however, eat there for breakfast, where we got introduced to the Bugs Bunny waffles.
Are they Bugs Bunny waffles?
That's
cool, isn't it?
Really cool. All I need on them now is maple syrup.
So for breakfast, they had some Arabian teas and some dates to start off with, toast and bagels, they had cheese, cold meats, a selection of fruits and yogurts, cereal with dried fruit and nuts on the side, French toast and waffles, a selection of Emirati breakfasts like shakshuka and samba, amongst others, and then you've got your classics like your hash browns, your eggs, your sausage and bacon, but keep in mind that these won't be pork, they usually have a turkey or beef. There's baked beans, there was coffee and tea, and there was also some sweet treats. Located at the top of the hotel is the Overlook, so this is more of a bar than a restaurant, but it does have stunning views over all of Yas Island. The busiest time for this was mainly in the evenings when people were relaxing after the park, but they did have food available. If you're looking for a more relaxed experience, located at the pool area on the first floor is the Matinee. It's a casual outdoor spot serving Mediterranean style dishes, and in the evenings it does show a Warner Brothers movie on the big screen, so you can grab a bite to eat, relax by the pool and enjoy a film under the stars. In the lobby is craft services, a coffee shop offering handmade sandwiches, themed cakes and cookies, and and the hotel famous selfie-cinos, which is coffee topped with a Warner Brothers character art. It's a quick and easy stop for a coffee or a snack. And if you don't feel like going out one evening, the hotel does have a full in-room dining menu with plenty of options. We did use this one evening, and you can also order from Deliveroo with lots of options nearby from Yas Mall. For something extra special, the hotel also offers a cookie and milk delivery service from Bugs Bunny himself. You do need to book this 24 hours in advance, but it is a great touch for the kids. One quick mention though, this hotel is connected to a DoubleTree by Hilton next door, which does have a coffee shop and sandwiches if you're looking for a quick bite. Located on the ground floor is the prop shop, which sells Warner Brothers merchandise, including clothing, collectibles and souvenirs. It's a great spot to pick up a gift or memento for your stay.
So you've got an idea in terms of the t-shirt price, so 125 dirham for the t-shirts there.
Located on the first floor is the A-List Spa. It offers a variety of treatments. The spa is open from 10 AM till 10 PM and the gym is also open 24 hours with keycard access. But let's be honest, we didn't use the spa for the entire time we were there. But I did manage to get some pictures from the Warner Brothers website to give you an idea on what's available. And lastly, one of the best things about this hotel is just how close it is to the parks. Warner Brothers World is literally on the doorstep. We even had breakfast at the Sidekicks terrace overlooking the park. The other parks at Yas Island like SeaWorld and Ferrari World are just a short ride away. The hotel offers a free Yas Express bus to the parks, but we mostly used Uber, which is around about £3, $4 to SeaWorld and to Yas Mall. And that's everything you need to know about the WB Hotel. We hope this video has been useful to you. If you've got any questions, drop them in the comments down below and we'll be happy to help. If you're considering a stay at the WB Hotel, we highly recommend it. It's fun, very well themed and so convenient for staying at Yas Island. We'll catch you next time.